So, where I live, we get hurricanes. And in this past hurricane season, we were hit pretty good and we were without power for about a week. So, thankfully, I had bought this little TailGator from Harbor Freight. And it gave us, power enough to run a fridge and give us some light at night, run some fans. So, definitely worth the $100 I spent on it. What we're going to do is just fire it up. You want to fire them up occasionally, make sure, keep them in working order. Because when you need them, you need them. You don't want to have to work on it when you need it. So what we're going to do is fire it up and let it run for a few minutes. So first thing you're going to do, hit start, turn it on. We're going to turn the gas line on. Now, I have no idea how many times this pull, how hard it's going to be to start, because it's been sitting up for a couple months. But let's give it a try. I guess I should check to see if there's any gas in it. Yep, plenty of gas. Uh-oh. Okay, friends, so I shut off the gas and let it run it out. You need to always do that. Make sure there's no gas in the carburetor, otherwise if it just sits there, you're going to be in for a world of trouble. So always turn the gas line off and let it run out of gas before you put it up. And you do need to run them occasionally. Helps keep them in working order. So this little TailGator saved us this hurricane season. And I hope to have it for quite a few years. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a like, and also please subscribe. And as always, God bless. Thanks for watching.